Hello everyone. So we'll learn about this keyword in Java. What is this keyword? Why it is used and where to use it. So unlike many keywords in Java such as super, synchronize, this is one of the keyword that we have in Java. You can see on the screen there are lots of other keyword as well, but we'll learn about this only today. So this keyword, this is a keyword in Java. There can be a lot of use of Java of this for this keyword. In Java, it is a reference variable that refers to the current object. So the current object can be referenced by this keyword. So what is the use of this keyword? Within an instance method or a constructor, this is a reference to the current object, the object whose method or constructor is being called. You can refer to any member of the current object from within an instance method or a constructor by using this. So this is a keyword in Java which can be used inside method or a constructor of a class. It is this which works as a reference to the current object whose method or constructor is being invoked. This keyword can be used to refer any member of the current object from within an instance of the method or a constructor. Now see that with the help of an example. In this demo example class, we have site name and site is which is declared at the class level. Now if you need to refer this site name and site is, then using this keyword you can use it. And so suppose if you have, and also if you have the site name and site is within the display method also, then if the method name is same, but if you want to use the refer to the class level variables, then using this you can do that. We have seen that in the getter in the setter methods of the Puyo classes. So this can be used to refer current class instance variable. This can be used to invoke current class methods as well. This can be used to invoke current class constructor. This can be passed as an argument in the method call. This can be passed as an argument in the constructor call as well. And this can be used to return the current class instance from the method. So we have seen the use of at least 6 different use of it. Now in this class, student class, in the setter method, for example, at the class level also we have name and subject, and in the student constructor we have name. So how to differentiate with which name I wanted to initialize with, set with. So this dot name will refer to the class level variable name, and name by default will be the variable which is declared inside the method. Similarly, in case of subject also, here you can see this subject equal to subject means subject refers to the parent class variable or the current class variable. Now at last, let's see, I will try to explain the same. So whenever I am referring to this dot roll number, it will go to the refer to the class level variable. Similarly for marks also, if I am setting this will with this dot marks, it will refer to the class level variable. When I am not using this, it will refer to the local variable. So that's how this can be used to invoke variables or constructors or methods of the class. I hope we have seen you learned what all purpose this can be used, and how to use it to call method or constructor or a variable of a class. So that's all from today's video on this. If you have any question related to this keyword, how to use, when to use, where to use, do write in the comment section. And if you are confused anywhere, you can pause the video and look back the video to see again. So thank you so much. If you have any question, write in the comment section. If you think video is helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.